Question 6. Now we're being asked to work out an estimate for the mean. Now the reason this is an estimate is we just don't know with these 28 parcels how far Darren had to travel to deliver them. It's anything between no kilometres and 5 kilometres. So the best we can do is just assume the midpoint. We can assume Darren had to drive halfway between 0 and 5 kilometres, which is 2.5 kilometres. So the estimating in this type of question comes from the fact we've lost the detail of the distance travelled. We've just got to make an assumption that we travel halfway across. So these are all the halfway points between the first and the second numbers. If you can't just see it by sight, just add the two numbers together and halve it on your calculator. So we're now going to assume these 28 parcels took travel for 2.5 kilometres exactly. These 32 travelled 7.5 kilometres exactly, and so on. So how much distance are travelled in total? Well, 28 lots of 2.5, 32 lots of 7.5, and so on. So we cross multiply, giving us these numbers. So the overall distance travelled, we then go and add up all of these numbers here, giving us 940. So that's how far Darren had to travel to deliver the whole 100 parcels. So we're 940 divided up by 100 is 9.4. Make sure you give this calculation exactly. Remember, this estimating doesn't mean you just go and round your final answer. That estimating came from that assumption you had to make right at the beginning about the distance travelled.